Lakwas sa bitas ang revenue ng turismo ng bansa inyang baluang 2024. Pakibaluan na rin datos ang balita ng Patricia Mamang.
Tokluking 760.5 billion pesos ing penakita no revenue ning Pilipinas ibat king inbound tourism expenditures king banwang 2024 agpangking datos ibat king Department of Tourism o DOT. Mas mata siya iting 26.75% kumpara king pre-pandemic level as 600 billion pesos inyang 2019. Yan ing pegmaragol ng DOT Region 3 Director Dr. Richard Dainos king News at Use Media Forum ning Pampanga Press Club o PPC king parkin by Radisson Clark inyang May 10.
So nearly we were able to have like about 6 million tourist arrivals for 2024. And this contributed with that of our economy, which is like about 760.50 billion as compared with that of 2019, which was only 600.01 billion. So it's really a big leap, no, from 2019 to 2024.
Inyang 2023, megtalang 697.46 billion pesos, ibat king parehong sektor. Manatili ka nung metong karempe ka-apa na liga na pikakwana na panakita ning turismo. Lakwas na libutan dareng amon kalupan ning pamagbayo ning klima at krisis king ekonomiya. Mamabot king 6.3 milyong Pilipino yung magobra king tourism industry inyang 2023. King first quarter ing 2024 at king 16.4 million ing may kinabang king direkta at direktang obra ibat king turismo katumbas ning 34% ning kabilugang employment king bansa.
In 2024, tourism exceeded 6% of the GDP from the calculated international and domestic combined spending of 3.36 trillion. And the most important, I think, impact of this one is that it was able to employ 6.3 million Filipinos, which is based on the statistics given by PSA.
King regional travel data, mamabot king 5.29 million in kabilugan na rin turista iba January to April 2025. Mani muna reng daywang turista ibat king South Korea, USA at China. Balaos naman ang pamagpatupad na rin programa king connectivity, convenience at equality bang pasiknangan pa ing turismo ning bansa. Kaya bay Aaron John Perez, ako po, Patricia Mamangon para king News Force Pampanga. Balitang tutuking balen, susuyo.